Hi there, students. To adumbrate. To adumbrate. A verb. Adumbration, the noun. Okay, let's see. To adumbrate means to give a rough outline of something. To explain, but only the main facts, not the details, particularly about something that's going to happen in the future. Let's see, I think I'd like to actually start with the origin of this word. It comes from Latin, adumbratus. It's from umbra, a shadow. So a shadow, something casts a shadow. So if something is adumbrated, you can see it, but not very clearly. You can see a rather shadowy outline of it. I guess his face was adumbrated by the candle that was burning in the centre of the room. Okay, so it's when you can't actually see something very clearly, but you can see roughly what it is. And then we use this to mean to explain something, but only in a very sketchy way. You don't go into it in great detail. So he, in a few words, he adumbrated what we were going to do in the future, but he didn't go into great detail. She adumbrated the objectives, but not in great detail. Okay, so to adumbrate an idea, to adumbrate a concept, to show it, but just roughly, to indicate more or less, to indicate faintly. It's like his face was adumbrated by the candle. You can see it, but not in all detail. And this is the idea, and then you go to this description. You can also use adumbrate, meaning to foreshadow. So it's something that indicates something is going to happen in the future. It's something that suggests that something is going to happen. It's a clue that this is going to happen, but it's not very, very clear. So I don't know. There was a lot of social unrest that adumbrated the onset of a revolution. It's something that an indicator that it could happen. It intimated that it might come about. And then also to adumbrate, meaning to obscure, to overshadow. So to make something less important. So his glorious win in the competition was adumbrated by bad news from home. So it was reduced. It was made less intense. It was overshadowed by this. So I guess anything that has happened over the past few days in the UK generally has been adumbrated by news about the death of the Queen. Okay, so to adumbrate, to obscure something, to make it less intense, to take away from it. Okay, so to adumbrate, to illuminate or show, but very slightly, either with physical light or an explanation. For students who are beginners, my adumbrations will be quite vague, and they will just give a general outline of things. As students get more advanced, then I will detail things much more clearly. Okay, one thing adumbrates another. It prefigures, it comes before, but it's not a clear presage, a clear omen that something's going to happen, but something that happens before that's an indicator. It's not a very clear indicator, and you couldn't say, "Ooh, that's it." Yeah, this shadow idea again. But it's something that is going to happen. So let's see, less serious outbreaks of infectious diseases. Adumbrated, the COVID outbreak. There's something that came before. They're a forerunner. Yeah, and then to adumbrate, to hide, to darken, to decrease the intensity of something. So his enthusiasm was adumbrated by his friend's foul mood, by his friend being depressed. So there you go, to adumbrate. I think I've more than adumbrated this word. Let's see, as I said, the origin ad umbra or adumbrare, to cast a shadow in Latin, from umbra, a shadow. And then formality, this is a formal word. I'm going to give this a 7.5. I think informally, a shadowy outline, a faint outline, to foreshadow, that's even a bit formal. Yeah, to overshadow is possible as well. I think use it semi-formal writing, formal writing, but no more. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Adumbrate, Adumbration.